Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Layout tab when it's not showing or has disappeared in AutoCAD. This is a common issue that many AutoCAD users encounter, especially beginners. You may open a drawing and suddenly notice that the Model and Layout tabs at the bottom of the screen are missing. Without these tabs, it can be difficult to switch between model space and paper space layouts. Fortunately, this is usually a very simple problem to fix, and in most cases it only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through several methods you can use to bring the layout tabs back and get your workspace working normally again. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is look at the bottom left area of your AutoCAD window. Normally, this is where you'll find the Model tab and one or more Layout tabs. If they're missing, don't worry. AutoCAD includes a setting that controls whether these tabs are displayed, and it's possible that the setting was accidentally turned off. To turn the tabs back on, click in the command line and type Layout tab, then press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to enter a new value. Type 1 and press Enter again. The value of 1 means the Layout tabs should be displayed. In many cases, as soon as you enter this command, the Model and Layout tabs will immediately reappear at the bottom of the screen. If the tabs are now visible, then the problem has been solved. However, if they're still missing, there's another setting we should check. Type Options in the command line and press Enter. This will open the AutoCAD Options dialog box, which contains many settings related to the appearance and behavior of the software. Once the Options window opens, click on the Display tab near the top. In this section, you'll see several settings that control how AutoCAD's interface is displayed. Look for a category called Layout Elements. Under this category, you'll find an option labeled Display, Layout, and Model tabs. Make sure the checkbox next to this option is checked. If the box is unchecked, click it to enable the setting. Then click Apply, followed by OK to save your changes and close the Options window. Now look back at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. The Layout tabs should be visible again. If the tabs still don't appear, try closing the drawing and reopening it. In some situations, AutoCAD may need to refresh the interface before the change becomes visible. You can also restart AutoCAD if necessary. Most of the time, one of these methods will solve the problem and restore your layout tabs. And that's all there is to it. Whenever your layout tabs disappear, remember the quick fix. Type Layout tab, press Enter, type 1, and press Enter again. If that doesn't work, check the Display settings in the Options dialog box and make sure Display, Layout, and Model tabs is enabled. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.